In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconnect Xero bank feed. If your bank feed is stopped because consent expired, your bank changed its connection, or you're working from a demo file, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to get it going again in a clear and secure way. Start on the Xero homepage for your organization. Make sure you're in the correct company file so the bank accounts you expect are visible. Along the top navigation bar, look for the accounting menu. This is where Xero keeps bank accounts, reports, and the tools you need to manage your data feeds. Open the accounting menu, then choose Bank Accounts. This page lists every bank account, credit card, or payment service you've set up. Even if you're reconnecting an existing feed, Xero often routes you through the same flow used for new connections, so don't worry if the next button looks like you're adding something new. At the top right, click Add Bank Account. In Xero, this button also starts the reconnection process, and it's the fastest way to reestablish a secure connection. You'll be taken to the bank search screen. Type the name of your bank, then select it from the results. In this example, I'm choosing a sample bank to illustrate the steps. If your bank appears more than once, pick the version that matches your region or connection type. Next, click Continue to move into the secure banking portal. This handoff is encrypted and handled by your bank, not by Xero. Have your banking credentials ready and be prepared for two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to sign in, review the consent details, and confirm what you want to share with Xero. Typically, you'll be asked to select which accounts to connect and authorize the data feed, so transactions can flow back into Xero automatically. On a demo company, you might see a message indicating you don't have permission to complete the connection. That's expected in a demo environment. In a real file, you'll see a Connect button. Click Connect to finalize the authorization. When the bank confirms, you'll be returned to Xero, and the status of your bank account should show as connected. A few quick tips before we wrap up. You need the right Xero user role to manage bank connections, so if you can't see bank accounts or the Add Bank Account button, ask an administrator to update your access. If transactions don't appear immediately, give it a little time. Some banks send the first batch within a few minutes, others can take longer. And if the connection fails, double-check your banking credentials and consent settings, then try the process again. That's all there is to reconnecting a Xero bank feed.